I hope you can see my screen and you can hear me properly. Just press one into the chat box quickly if you can do that. If you are able to do that. So Ranchana can hear me, see my screen. Uh, Tanya, Chaitanya. Rajiv says my voice is cracking. Is that so? Can everyone please check is my voice cracking or not? Please respond to that query, please.
So just one thing, guys, please mark your attendance. Sheet is shared with everyone, and whoever's name is not here, please. I can see Aditya Gupta has done the assignment, Rajiv has done it, Shiva has done it, and Tanya has done it. The rest of the guys, uh, the assignment I can't see. So it's a humble request. Do it because this course is not a 2 years course or a 3 years course. When you will get time, you will do it. Okay. It's a very short course of almost 3.5 weeks, and you will not get time to cope up with it. Okay. You will not get time after 3 days or 4 days. Time will run in this course very quickly. So if you don't do it, you will lose. Okay. So what we have done till now, is that clear to everyone about the campaign structure, why we have ad groups, what is the need of ad group is, how you will theme keywords, and why theming of keyword is really important, and then talk about SERP type of ads, why it is known as PPC, and different type of results that comes on Google. I hope that is clear to everyone. Then we will proceed further. So give me a yes or a no node, one or two, quickly, guys. Perfect, guys. And one more thing, kindly send me messages to everyone, not one to one. Reason being, my chat automatically changes to your name if you send me privately. So that's one small issue I'm facing. It would be great. Okay. Unless and until something you want to convey to me specifically to me, then it's fine. Okay. So it's clear to most of you, and let me go ahead. So the next is terminologies in Google AdWords. So primarily, you should know at least few terminologies before go ahead into the Google AdWords campaign creation and account creation. So the first terminology is bid. So now what is bid? Bid is the maximum amount you are willing to pay for a click on your ad. Okay, it is the maximum amount you are willing to pay. It's not the amount which Google is deducting from your account. You can bid 10 rupees, but Google can deduct any amount between 0 to 10 rupees. Google can deduct 1 paisa, Google can deduct 10 rupees. But Google cannot deduct more than that. Okay, Google cannot deduct more than 10 rupees per click. So that is what bid is. Bid is the maximum amount you are willing to pay per click of for any specific keyword. I'm talking keywords. Why? Because we are talking about search campaigns here. So if anyone clicks on your ad, you can pay, you set up that limit, and Google cannot go beyond that. Google can value lesser than your bid or equal to it, not more than that. Second is CTR. CTR is primarily click-through rate. Okay, the full form of it. And when I say full form of it, it is a formula that says number of times your ad is clicked divided by number of times your ad is shown into 100. Okay, as it is a percentage, so it should be multiplied by 100 automatically. So number of times your ad is clicked divided by number of times your ad is shown. And your ad is shown means impression. This is another term that you should know is impression is the number of times your ad is shown. Okay. Okay. So there are two corrections which were there. So I did it. So primarily, bid is the maximum amount you are willing to pay per click. CTR is click-through rate, is a formula that says number of times your ad is clicked divided by number of times your ad is shown into 100 or number of impressions. So impression is number of times your ad is shown, because instead of writing this whole sentence that your ad is shown, the terminology used of showing your ad is impression. Okay, if your ad is shown once, your number of impression is 1. Your ad is shown twice, number of impression is twice. Okay, these are the three basic terminologies. So let's do one quick analysis of your understanding over it. Is that let's suppose if you get let's suppose 20 clicks and 120 times your ad is shown. So what is your CTR? If your ad got 20 clicks and number of times your ad is shown is 120, what is the CTR? Please type into the chat box.